Hey, it's Terry. I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Now I'm doing low carb while I'm in maintenance. Thank you for watching. So listen, I'm helping future Terry out. Today's Wednesday, and I had 2 yogurts. One's blueberry, and the other's blueberry. So I got 2 yogurts. I divided up into 2 containers. Then I had 2 servings of my cottage cheese, and I put them in there too. So now that's gonna be ready for in the morning. I'm gonna take one of my. You'd think I'd be tired of these after all I ate on yesterday, but anyway. And then what are these things? Turkey sausage. So we'll be eating this on Friday. All right, so that. So that's gonna be my breakfast tomorrow. This is pork and rice. That's Jicama. I've been pulling this thing out every dadgum day. I'm probably going to be walking by the time I eat it, if I get to eat it tomorrow. This was supposed to be supper tonight, but I didn't make it. What's this? Oh, I made this the other day. This is some pork, and I made some kind of a gravy situation. I can't even tell you how I made it. Anyway, because it'll be uploaded at some point. You'll see it at some point, just trust me. So I'm going to take that tomorrow. Let me put these away, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I got my salad. And they're still hanging in there. That's my... I told you, I really chopped up these onions, and they are pretty doggone wet, but it's hanging in there. So let's add us some jicama. Hey, Debbie Sue sent me a recipe, an email. She took her jicama, and then I printed it out, Debbie. She even sent me a picture. I printed that out. What's that? Oh, that's something else. She sent me that. I'm going to cover up your face so that in case you don't want it. And then she's got that, which is her air fryer. Then she's got a picture of her going, and she's about to eat it. So Debbie Sue sent me a recipe. But now I'm just winging. I don't remember exactly what it is. That's why I had to print it out. She took jicama and cut it up into French fry size bites. Or, like French fries. Then what she did was she took her, not air fryer. What do you call them things? Instant Pot. She took her Instant Pot and she did it. She put some water with her jicama, and she put some sweet potato flavored drops. And so with that, what she did was she put it in her Instant Pot, and then she ran it in the Instant Pot, and then for however long she's told me, I just haven't, I got to do it. So, did it in her Instant Pot. How many times am I going to say that? She did it. She did it in her Instant Pot. And then she did something, however you let it open up. And then she air fried it. And then she let them sit on a little rack. And in the end, she said it tastes just like sweet potato French fries. So, I have the recipe. I ordered the Juma flippers, what's that stuff called? Hang on, what am I trying to say here? Look, I'm trying to work on my food. I ain't got time for socializing. Y'all have high expectations. So let me just stop. So the sweet potato drops and give it a sweet potato flavor. And the water just kind of forced that flavor into the jicama. And then after she let it dry on the rack, she air fried it. And anyway, she said it tastes like sweet potato fries. So just going to share that with you. I've got me some on order. And so when it comes in, we'll see what we can do. Y'all, if you know me, you know I've never used my Instant Pot. I got one. I got one for free from a friend of my mama's, and because I helped her with her iPad or her iWatch, and so I got one free, but I've never used it. I'm still scared. My mama made me scared of things like that. because she used to chase us out of the kitchen whenever she was using her old pressure cooker. So now I'm scared. But I'm going to be brave. I'm going to watch some videos of how to use it. But I'll do it just like Debbie Sue's instructions, and then we'll do it together. But just know if that video don't upload, you'll just know I died. You'll just know that my mama was right and Debbie Sue was wrong, and you shouldn't mess with the pressure cooker if you don't have a whole lot of sense. Alright, I know that this lid is not going to go on here very well, but I don't care. Got it. It's good enough. Now I'm going to put this other one underneath it again, because I did that yesterday with my salad. So I went ahead and this lunchbox is too big. So I ordered the next size down. I'll still keep it because this will come in handy for things whenever I have bigger, tall bowls that I'm taking somewhere. So it's not that I don't want it. I just, for the day-to-day stuff, I probably won't need it. But anyway, so I did order another one on Amazon. Because like I said, it's a little too tall. So anyway, there's that. I got three what you call them things. I keep calling them nectarines, but we all know it ain't nectarines. It's cuties, the little cutie things. Are they? Hang on, I have this on wrong. I have it on backwards, and it bugs me. I need this little piece has to be on the outside, and I have this put on backwards. Oh, did you see that? Look, it turns. Sometimes I'm such a knucklehead. Ay. And now you know. Now you know why Terry does not need to be messing with the pressure cooker. Okay, anyway, I'll see you at breakfast. Bye. I'm going to show you what 2 days of bad eating can do. So, I had all the bad eating on Tuesday for my work trip. Yesterday, I went out to eat. I was 164 on Saturday on my anniversary day, and now I'm up 167. So this is full transparency. I want you to see what happens when you have bad days. Your weight goes up. It happens. So now I get focused and, and get my act back together. So let's talk about, you saw the scale. I'm up. And I'm only 1 pound below my goal weight. But like I said, I had the road trips Tuesday. So I was sitting all day. My legs were out. My legs were, there was no walking around. So that automatically causes, inflammation and fluid retention. And then we all know when you go out to eat, there's all these hidden things. And even if you try to do low carb, sorry, alarm went off. There's still some hidden carbs and things that we can't control when we eat out. So anyway, and I had those chips, and they're not clean either anyway. So I just want to talk about what I'm going to be doing. So the meal prep that you're going to see this weekend is me trying. I did 80-20 ground beef, and it is. And it's going to be 7 ounces. So I think I have maybe 4 more days left of the old foods that I had prepped. And so starting this weekend, maybe Monday, is when the 80-20 is going to start. So that's how, I'd already told you all that that's what I was looking at to see if that makes a difference. Because I don't want to make some huge change. I just want to see what that does, because like I said, that's what I did when I was losing weight, was I controlled everything with the amount of meat and the fat in my meat that I ate. So we're going to do that this weekend, you'll see that meal prep this weekend. And I'm doing 7 ounces of 80-20 is what I'll be doing. But I have to process and eat all the foods that I have now. I am not throwing food away. Y'all know that. I don't care if it makes me go up to 180 pounds. I'm going to eat the food that I have. But anyway, so I just want to kind of talk to you about it because, yep, we saw my weight went up. Yes, it is situational and it will go back down. It always does. But I had already talked about, I would like to lower my ground beef and just see what happens. So, like I said, that doesn't start for a while, so it'll probably be like the beginning of next week. So, anyway, and I ain't gonna know it anyway because I didn't label everything. I don't think I did. But anyway, so that's what I plan on doing to kind of combat the scale creep that's been going on for the past year. Because, like I said, not year, I guess it was probably, it's been working its way up probably for about 6-7 months. And it's just, to be honest, I'm up 9 pounds in the past, as of this morning. So as of Saturday, I was up 6 pounds. So 6 pounds in 7 months, that's not bad, but it's still 1 pound a month. So that's gonna be how I combat it, and we're gonna see how it works. But just want to let you know that I am well aware that scale was up, and I'm just gonna kind of see about controlling it with beef like I did on the way down. So I just wanted to share that with you. So that's kind of where my brain is going. And like I said, we won't really start seeing those foods incorporated until, like I said, I think I've got 3 days, maybe 4 days left. I honestly don't remember. And then we'll start seeing the lower calorie main meals starting to come through. So, okay, bye. So it's breakfast time, and I have my turkey sausage, and I have my yogurt and cottage cheese. I'm going to mix it up. In the past, I've used like flavorings, like my water enhancers in here just to give it a little more flavor. But let's see if this is enough. It's been enough recently, so let's see. Good flavor, so that's breakfast. See you at lunchtime. It's lunchtime, and we have our salad. Let's take a bite of this. We know this one is a BAS, that's for sure. This one is a bass salad. And if you don't know what that means, it involves a not nice word. Big A-word salad. I could call it a BBS, big butt salad. But anyway, it's a big one. It's full. It's extra full. My orange or clementines. Look, I remembered. I got 3 of them, and while my food was microwaving, I went ahead and peeled all 3 of them. And then we also have my pork chops, and I think it's an onion mushroom gravy. I don't know. Listen. Well, here it is. Let me just take a bite so you can see me eating it. Listen, last weekend, I had so much meal prep. I didn't sit down till like 5 o'clock. So let me tell you, this weekend, you're going to see part of it. And I told y'all, I was trying to lower my calories through my just the meat portion, which is what I did during my weight loss phase. And so you're going to see the 80-20 and some other stuff that I made this weekend. But I made so dadgum much. I already have uploaded next weekend's too. So my freezer, I think I even showed you all on Sunday or Monday just how full my freezer is. I ain't got to meal prep. I ain't got to meal prep the meat or the veggies. So you're going to see next weekend what I meal prep last weekend. Because I got some coming this weekend and some coming the next weekend. So just smile and watch it and know that I made it last weekend. So anyway, but yeah, so, and this was 7 ounces of the meat with some gravy on it. And this is really good. I think I sauteed some onions and mushrooms. Add some water too. But anyway, it's kind of what I got to do. I did what I got to do. Because I ain't going to meal prep this weekend. So, all right. Well, now you know my secret. And I'm going to eat. So I'll see you at supper. Bye. Listen, my coworkers are fussing because I'm over here singing Christmas songs. There ain't no Thanksgiving songs. And whenever I said, are there? They're like, sure there are. But they can't remember them. They don't remember the words to them. You got to have a song that you got lyrics and remember. One of them pulled up the Adam Sandler one, but we don't know. She don't know the lyrics. He couldn't even remember the next line. So I'm getting fussed at because I'm singing Christmas songs and it ain't even Thanksgiving. But what do they know? They don't know nothing. They're just weirdos. I'll sing Christmas in July if I need to. But if you know a Thanksgiving song, don't say it's the Adam Sandler Thanksgiving song. But I don't know a Thanksgiving song, so. That's, of course, you got to jump from whatever holiday has songs to the next holiday that has songs. Well, I can't just stand around saying, happy turkey, happy turkey. That's just dumb. Okay, bye. Here's what we're having for supper. I'm pretty sure this is the pork and rice chicken I made last weekend. It smells Asian-y. Listen, you all know I ain't got a lick of sense, but I'm pretty sure that's pork and not chicken. That looks like pork chop and not chicken. And we're having our hickabine. I like the name. I like asking y'all names and y'all helping me come up with names. So that's our hickabine. Listen, it's pretty hot. Ooh, it's got a little piece of bacon. I'm gonna get that bite. You listen, and you listen up close. Hickabine is really good. It's fun. It's a fun, sweet texture, sweet flavor, and it's got a barbecue-y flavor. It's good. It ain't real bean. It's Jicama. But it's good. So, I don't care what the naysayers say. They don't know nothing. Oh, I hear the delivery man. I think I got something coming in. Hey, Ziggy, where's my stuff?
A package for Terry's order should arrive Monday, November 13th by 8 p.m., containing sea salt. Another package should arrive Monday, November 13th by 10 p.m., containing lunch bag. Another package should arrive Thursday, November 16th by 8 p.m., containing liquid concentrate. By the way, you may be running low on your frequently ordered foundation.
Ziggy, pause. Okay, so I had to order some salt, and my lunchbox too big. I almost got the large one. Instead, I went with extra large. So anyway, I just ordered the next size down. And then, what else did they say? Oh, the sweet potato flavored drops. That's what I got. That's coming in. So those 3 things are coming in. I thought maybe he was coming here, but I guess maybe he's going to somebody else's house. Sesame seeds. Let's put a little of that in there. You can't go wrong with sesame seeds, man. Sesame seeds are the bee's knees. A big old honking thing of fruit. More than I need. I don't care. That's what I'm having. Alright. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day and be nice to yourself. Be nice to yourself and love yourself and be good to your future self. Meal prep. Prep your stuff for tomorrow so you can, if you did, what is it? If you fail to plan, you plan to fail. So plan to succeed. Okay, bye.